Every time there's a cross-border terror attack backed by Pakistan and India talks of retaliation, a familiar panic sets in. Suddenly, everyone in Pakistan starts chanting the same old line, हमारे पास nuclear weapon है.
ये हमने हिंदुस्तान के लिए रखे हैं, बाबा. ये जो 130 एटॉमिक हमारे पास वेपन है, वो हमने सिर्फ मॉडल बनाने के लिए नहीं रखे हुए. और आपको पता ही नहीं कि हमने पाकिस्तान के किस किस हिस्से में रखे हुए हैं. ये दुनिया भी जानती है, आप भी जानते हैं.
As if it is a shield for state-sponsored terrorism. After all of this, the big question, can Pakistan afford a nuclear war? Let's be honest, they cannot even afford onions without IMF clearance, let alone a full-blown nuclear conflict. Short answer, no. Pakistan's economy absolutely cannot afford a nuclear war with India. Here's why. Pakistan is already struggling with crippling debt, high inflation, a shrinking forex reserve, and repeated IMF bailouts. The economy grew by just around 2% recently, with youth unemployment and energy shortages worsening. State institutions like healthcare, disaster response, and infrastructure are underfunded and overstretched. A nuclear war would completely overwhelm what little resilience exists. Pakistan depends heavily on foreign aids, remittances, and exports, mainly textiles. After a nuclear strike, sanction and global isolation would follow, collapsing external support. But let's just say, against all odds and common sense, Pakistan manages to launch a nuclear attack. What happens next? Immediate Indian retaliation would be swift and far more destructive given India's larger nuclear arsenal and superior delivery system.
Today, from the soil of Bihar, I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers.
Major Pakistani cities like Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi would be likely targets, crippling population centers and economic hubs. Ports like Karachi, critical for imports and exports, would be destroyed, cutting off trade routes. Currency would crash, banks would fail, and food supply chains would disintegrate. Using a nuclear weapon would be national suicide for Pakistan, not just militarily but socio-economically and diplomatically. It's not just unaffordable, it's existentially unsustainable. On a serious note, the horrors of Hiroshima and Nagasaki reminds us that nuclear war is nothing short of apocalyptic. But with Pakistan's consistent record of funding cross-border terrorism, it's playing a reckless game with fire. One day, the very habit might hammer the final nail in its own coffin, and the world may not have the patience to look away anymore.